Hi everyone, I hope all of you are good. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Marketing Dan. Today we will understand about marketing evolution, philosophies, orientation and concept. All are the same. How it originates and what are the various stages of development over the period of time. This we will try to learn today. We will also understand that which concept we have at present in India, or we can say all over the world. Which one is the right and which one is the wrong concept of marketing that a company should follow. This comes in our mind whenever we start learning marketing concept. First of all, we should know about marketing, which is the department of management. It makes the customer happy, or we can say satisfied, which leads towards profit generation. We have five concepts of marketing. Has we have five concepts of marketing. Every concept has its own value and order. These concepts of marketing have evolved over the period of time. First concept of marketing is production concept. Second is product concept. Third one is the selling concept. Fourth is the marketing concept, and the fifth is the marketing societal concept. These five concepts, which I'm just telling you, we can further divide into two broad categories. First three concepts lie in the category of seller oriented, or we can say product centric or oriented. And the last two, which are marketing and marketing societal, they lie in the category of customer oriented categories. Now, the time period for the first three concepts was around 1900 to 1950 due to industrialization and more focus on product only and less emphasis on customers. After 1950 to till now, we have marketing and marketing societal concepts. Now, let me explain all the five concepts one by one. First, that we know what is the concept of marketing, that is production concept. Those products which are widely available and less expensive, or we can say cheaper. In this in this concept, manager focuses on efficiency, low cost, and more distribution. So they have the three things, more focus on three things. The first one is efficiency, the second one is low cost, and the third one is the distribution. They assume that consumers are more interested in affordability and availability of the product. Example, as we have Chinese company, they are still using this philosophy like higher electronics and Xiaomi come iPhone mobile, as their main focus is on affordability, means less MRP, and availability means it it is their extensive distribution channel. Now, if we will talk about product concept, what comes in our mind? In this concept, focus shifted from quantity of the product to the quality of the product. Product concept deny the fact that if the product is available in the market or inexpensive too, means cheaper too, then consumer can't say no. The concept has more focus on quality that enables the consumer to buy the product. Now, here under product concept, consumers prefer those products which are quality products, innovative, and have differentiation too from the competitors. Example, just like we have Apple laptop, we have iPhone are the example which lies in the category of product concept. Their main focus is on the innovativeness, quality of the product, but it comes from the perception of the manager only. So one drawback has been noted under this concept, that if the product is not marketed properly, then there are more chances to get failure. So this concept leads towards selling concept, because there were few drawbacks that a company want to overcome. So in that case, now the third concept, that is selling concept, which hold that company should go for more aggressive selling promotion technique. The concept assumes that company can stimulate buyers to buy products which are not required by the customers. When the company has overcapacity of production, they follow selling concept just to clear their stock. Example of selling concept, like we have Unsound. kind of products, unsold products, which include insurance policy, mediclaim policy, or encyclopedia. The consumers are not looking for the product here from the side of company. They go for push kind of a strategy. They push their product to the consumers. So that comes in the category of selling concept. Example of selling concept like we have unsold product as I already explained you. Now consumers does not have any kind of need for these kind of products. Although sales representative of a company call to the potential customers and they want to sell the policy and other unwanted products to the customers. So that comes in the category of selling concept. Now, if you talk about marketing concept, it is the modern concept and profit can be for a long period of time. It believes in pull strategy instead of push. And the push strategy, as I already told you, it is all about selling concept. Fourth concept of marketing, the marketing is all about what happens that due to increase in competition, now it is the time to focus on needs and wants of target market instead of aggressive selling techniques. This concept holds that the company task is to identify the needs, wants, and interest of the target market and deliver the product efficiency and effectively to the customers. So marketing concept is all about satisfying the need of the customers by using the product as marketing is all about as we know that marketing is all about creation of the utility according to the preference of the customer. The concept believes in delivering better product than competitors and fulfill the need of the customer. Example that comes in the category of marketing concept is as we know that Dell offers customized laptop and desktop to the customers as per their requirement and specification of the customers. First, they identify the need of the customer and ask their desirable configuration and deliver customized laptop and desktop to the customers. So that comes in the category of marketing concept. Now, if you will talk about marketing societal concept, this is the fifth concept of marketing. Here in marketing societal concept, it is having more focus on customer satisfaction. As we have just discussed in marketing concept, the more focus is on customer satisfaction. First of all, they will identify the need of the customers, and after that, what they do, they just want to satisfy their needs. But in case of marketing societal concept, their main focus is on customer satisfaction plus societal welfare. Although in marketing concept, focus was only on customer satisfaction. Here we have one more attribute that is societal welfare. Under this concept, company delivers the goods and services as per the demand, or we can say desire to the customer in the light of societal benefit. The concept holds that marketers or sellers should deliver value to the customers in a way that manages both consumers and society's well-being. Marketing societal concept we can understand with the help of an example, that is cigarette product, which is good for both the parties such as customer and company. As a company is generating sales and customer is getting the product, that is cigarette, but it is not good from the society perspective. So we can say that company is not following marketing societal concept. One more example is a factory which is environmental friendly and benefiting all the customers, company and society. Here all three categories are getting benefit because of the environmental friendly company. So another example under this concept is that if a company produces a vehicle which consumes less petrol but spreads pollution, it will result only customer satisfaction but not societal welfare due to pollution. Here the company is not following societal welfare thing. It is unethical too. Now one question comes in our mind. Which concept is the best or the right concept and which one is the worst or wrong concept? So here we can say that it all depend on the customer request and their mental ability. All the things we can discuss in this five concept of marketing with the help of important keywords. Now I will explain all the things in in short, so here under production, their main focus is on availability. The product should be available all over the market. And the second one is affordability, whether the consumer can afford it or not. So economies of scale, they especially work on this particular concept. Under product concept, their main focus is on the excellence, is on the innovativeness of the product, or we can say quality of the product, but they are not looking what are the things which are looking from the side of customers. So that comes in the category of product concept. If we are discussing about selling concept, what comes in mind? It is all about aggressive selling technique that comes from the side of company, and ultimately what they want to do, they want to deliver the product to the customers, whether they want it or they don't want it, they have to buy. So company believe more aggressive selling. It is all about just aware them and push the product from the side of the company. Under marketing concept, their main focus is on the satisfaction. What they do, first of all, they will identify the need of the customers, and as per the need of the customers, they want to satisfy their need. So that comes under marketing. Under marketing societal concept, what we are discussing, there are three parties that come say in this particular category. The first one is the customer, the second one is the company, and the third one is society. If all the three parties are getting benefit, then that comes under the category of societal, yani कि marketing societal concept. I hope it's clear to all of you, and it was all from my side about marketing philosophies, concept, orientation, as we know that all are the same. Thank you very